Alrighty, let's check out this scramble. There's nothing which looks particularly great. I guess we can try and, I think I know what we can do. We can make a T from this 1x3 line on white and this piece back here by doing something like F, R prime, L prime, like so. Then attach this center to the T by doing F prime, L prime, U, L. Then I'm going to work on my last 3 white pieces, so this one here and these 2, like so. And then rotate and try and start working on my second center. So I've got this one and these 2, with which I can create a 2x2 block like that. Then I can rotate. I notice I have no yellow centers on this side, so I can rotate and solve this one and this one, like so, to create a 2x3, and then attach these 2 to this one, and then insert it like so. Now, rotating the cube over to here, I see that I have these 3 orange pieces on this face, as well as an orange T already built. So instead of actually using this one to create the orange T, I'm going to find the last orange edge centerpiece, which is back here, create the orange T, create the 2x3 block like that, and then solve these 3 into the back, like so. And now what I'm going to do is I can either decide to work on the blue or the green center. I see that I've got all these blue pieces on this face here, so it might be worthwhile actually flipping to the blue and doing something like, we can do something like M prime, U, M to create this 1x3 here, and preserve this 1x3, and then insert it like that. And then I've got these 2 and this one, which I can solve like that. Now I'm going to solve a 2x3 on red. So I've got this one and this one up here. Move those over to that position, and then do R, U to R prime, like that. And the first thing that I see after solving the centers is I've got this block back here, and I've also got the yellow and green ones here, here, and here. I guess I would just go for this block and start out by solving this one and these 2 by doing U prime, R prime, and then slicing. Then I've got these 2 wings connected together, and the midge piece is here. So this is the white and blue, so I can insert that one and solve those ones. Then I'll probably flip over because I notice I've got this white and red block here, and the white and red piece isn't in the top or the middle. The white and red piece is actually here. So I'd insert it, slice, and then, yeah, this is really bad. I should be able to see something. Okay, I guess the one thing that I can see is that there's blue and yellow pieces are here, here, and here. So I can insert that one, slice these 2 together, insert this midge, and then slice back. Now I see I've got these 2, and I want to find and solve the last yellow and orange piece. So I'll flip over, and the last yellow and orange piece is down here. I can slice, flip, and slice back. And then I've got the white and green pieces back here and over here. So I can just take this one out, and then slice, flip, slice back, and take that one out, insert that one randomly, flip back over, and continue work. So I've got the yellow and red here, here, and here. So I can do something like slice, insert this one, slice back, and then I've got these 2, the orange and white. So I can insert the last orange and white wing there, and then take it out and restore my centers. So those first 8 edges were a bit tricky and a bit messy. Then I've got these 2 and this one, so I can do something like slice there, flip, slice back. Then I've got these 2, the blue and red, and the blue and red piece back here, so I can do something like slice, flip, slice back. And then lastly, I have these 2 solved and these 2 flipped. So I can do an R2, then slice, flip, slice back. And now my centers and edges are solved. So I see I've got the red pieces, the red cross pieces all here and here. So I can do something like, to solve my cross, then I can do these two. Then I can do these two. Then I'll rotate and solve these two into the back slot. And then lastly, I'll solve these two. Like so. Then I've got OLL and an R permutation for PLL. Okay, for this scramble, like with most 5x5 scrambles, there are many different options on which we can start. I might just go for the white center here because I can insert this one and create a 1x3 block there, 1x3 bar there, and then I've got these two and this one, so I can attach those together and insert that to create a 2x3. Now I can work on my last 1x3. So I've got this one here, this one up here, and this one here. So I can do something like F prime, U prime, R prime, like that, L2, U, L2, and then R prime, like so. Now I've got these two and this one. So I can create a 2x2 block like that, and then insert another 2x1 block to create a 2x3 block. Then I've got these two here and this one over here. So I can do something like F2, wide U2, and then insert the 1x3. So now I've solved those two centers. I'll rotate like this, and I see that I've got these orange pieces over here, and these two orange ones and these two orange ones. So we've got a lot of orange blocks we can work with. So I'll do something like L prime R2 to create a 2x3 and then move it over to this position, and then solve the last 1x3 by doing R prime F R2, like that. Now, trying to decide what to do for the blue center here. I guess we can insert this edge piece up to this position by doing R2 D R2, like that, and then finish off. So we've got the T now, and we can finish off the 2x3 like that. Then I'll rotate. So I know I need to put the last 1x3 into this back right slot here. So I'll solve the 1x3 and then insert it. Now I'm going to work on a 2x3 for my green center, like so, and then finish off the green center, like that. Now for my first edge, we can go for, literally looking around the cube, there's literally nothing. There's no midges attached to their wings at all. So I've got the green and red and this green and red. So I can do one move, slice, then this last green and red one is here. So I can insert it and then slice over. And as I'm doing that, I notice that this green and orange one's here and the other two pieces are over here. So I'll insert that one, slice, flip, and slice again. Then I've got these two and this one. So I can insert them, slice, flip, slice back. Then, what should I go for? I guess we can go for the blue and orange. So these two blue and orange pieces are here. Insert, slice, flip, slice back. And now we've solved 4 edges onto this layer. I'll flip over and continue working. I've got the blue and yellow one here, here, and here. And before I do a wide U2 move like that, I notice I've got these white and blue, this white and blue block here, and the last white and blue one is here. So I'll insert this one, and then restore that. Then I see I've got these two, the blue and red, and this blue and red one is here, which I can solve like that. And then the last edge is more annoying than it often needs to be. We can go for, I really have no idea. I guess we can go for the orange and green. So the orange and yellow. So I've got these two and then this last one is back here. So I can flip it, slice, insert, so take it out, and then restore my centers. Now, the first edge that I'll solve of my last 4 is this easy case here. So I've got these 2 and this one. So slice, flip, slice back. And I notice also that I've got this one here and these 2, which just, again, another slice, flip, and then slice back. And then I've got this parity case where I need to swap these 2 midges, these 2 wings. And now it's time to work on the 3x3 stage. So I can do the white cross like that. Then I'll do these 2 pieces for my first F2L pair. These 2. Then these 2. And then these 2. Then OLL. And a G permutation for PLL. And then we're done.